Be you. It's pretty simple. It's actually not a bad tip for life. When I read in a casting session, let's say I have 10 actors, 8 of them will read the piece almost identically. Same pause, same place they get angry, same look off. It's not because they're not unique people. It's because they're reading what they think the director wants, or the writer wants, or the casting director wants. That's your biggest mistake. What is going to set you apart from all the other actors is to show a piece of yourself. Don't show us what you think the director wants. Sometimes they don't even know. Show us who you are. Show us a piece of yourself. So ask yourself, if you were in this situation, how would you react? It doesn't mean if it says in the stage direction, angry. Well, different people play angry very differently. Some people, like myself, might mask that in some type of humor or play against it. So the tip is, when you're reading a script, try to not listen to the voice in your head asking you the question. That's the same question 90% of all actors are asking. What do they want? What do they think they want to see? Doesn't matter. How would you be in that type of a situation, whether it be anger or joy or resentment or inquisitiveness? It doesn't matter. Show a piece of who you are, and I guarantee you that's going to help you stand out from the crowd.